Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you if you're getting this error message if you type kotlin in the terminal. If you can't run kotlin in the terminal, in this video I will show you how to fix this, either kotlin or kotlin C. Kotlin C stands for Kotlin compiler. In either of these cases, if you're getting this error, just make sure that you add kotlin inside your environment variable. So just go to the C directory, search for the folder program files. So by default Kotlin, if you download and install Kotlin, it will be stored in this directory. So just search for Kotlin C. This is a folder here, Kotlin compiler, and go to the bin folder, and here you will see all your executables. So if you try to open terminal here and just type the same command Kotlin, you will see the command will perfectly work. Welcome to Kotlin version. So what we need to do is that we need to right click, copy this location, copy this entire location, just open environment variable and just go to your system variable and just go to path here, right here, and just select new and paste this location. So after pasting this location, if you restart your terminal and just type the same command Kotlin C, this is the Kotlin compiler, you will see the command will perfectly work. In this easy way you can fix this error message, and I'm assuming that you have installed Kotlin. So the first step is that you should have Kotlin download. If you haven't downloaded this, so just go to their official website and download Kotlin compiler if you haven't. And after that, if you're still getting this problem, you can follow these steps. And also visit my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.